Now, former FIFA referee Dwight says he's making progress after suffering serious injuries in a motor vehicle collision almost 2 years ago. Simon Preston has the details in our Center Circle preview.
On November 21, 2017, Royal was leaving a gas station in St. Elizabeth when he was hit by a speeding vehicle. Royal suffered serious injuries which left him paralysed. The 44-year-old, who was the head of the PE department at St. Elizabeth Technical, recalls how he saw the event unfolding.
That day I was at school. I went on the road to get some stuff done for classes, get some material for my class. I was going back to up by the school for a class, and then just coming across the road, gas station, this car come from nowhere and just overtook two cars, bombing my car.
To this day, almost 2 years on, Royal does not know who was the driver of the vehicle which hit into his and changed his life.
I really don't know. I don't know who he is. I've not heard from him or seen him ever. I don't know.
Royal reflected on the situation and remained thankful.
I'm never really sorry for myself, but I think about the condition, and I would not want to rather not be in this condition. But sorry for myself, no. I'm alive, and life is very, very important.
Bethany Wolf is a physiotherapist that has been working with Royal, and she provided good news.
And Dwight has come so far where he is able to sit up, he's able to move himself around, he's able to use both his arms more, and he's just building up that strength right now. He's able to sit for as long as you want him to sit up now. So now is the up curve of his recovery, which is really exciting.
And you can hear more from Royal and his progress on Centre Circle this evening at 9 o'clock.